Today we are in Waterton area. We just find a spot which is nearby the river. Kind of nice spot. Don't forget the leave no trace principle. Intro! We needed to dump our grey and black tank, so we are currently in Co-op in Pincher Creek. It was the closest dump station that we have in the area, and all services are available here, so you can get gas, you can get some groceries, as there is a Co-op just there, and you even have a garbage bin, so don't forget to pack out what you pack in when you are going to camp. In this area we have cellular service. So now we will wear some hiking boots and we'll go to the Waterton Lakes National Park to see what it has to offer. Come with us! So hot today. Currently enjoying a nice view, close to the US border, in Alberta. Where are we? Waterton Lakes National Park, Bertha Lake. Check this out.